This is our activities page for the story Officer Buckle and Gloria. This one is a character study. We're going to use adjectives and phrases to describe the characters. All right, so the first one, I've already cut out all my little pieces. Who wore the blue police uniform? Officer Buckle wore the police uniform. So we glue that on underneath Officer Buckle's name. Who was furry? All right, put a little glue on that and put it under Gloria. Gloria was furry, the dog. Who had black hair? Officer Buckle. Who wore glasses? That was Officer Buckle as well. Okay. Who was funny? Gloria was funny. Remember, she was always doing all those little tricks up on the stage and making the kids laugh. So they thought she was very funny. Who was careful? Careful. That describes Officer Buckle. He was very careful. He always shared his safety tips. Now, we're down to the last ones. And I have two of them. It says the same thing. It says a good friend. Who was a good friend? Yes, both of the characters were good friends. So we're going to put one for Officer Buckle and one under Gloria. And another one that says helpful. They both were very helpful. So we're going to put that under both people or both characters. Just like that.